Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to create constants using the EQU command. You may have already noticed we've used it before and it's been in the default code before, so this is probably the main way that you'll be creating constants. There are a couple of other ways and I've got separate videos covering them as well. So basically a constant is something that once you've set the value it cannot be changed. So it's great for, maybe you are doing some sort of mathematical calculations, maybe the area of a circle, and other mathematical calculations that require pi. So the constant 3.14159 that continues on going, and you could set that to however many decimal places that you need. That's something that you don't want to be changeable. So that's a great example. Another example is right here we have x number of zeros. I did this in the previous video, that we are printing this out 5 times, and then we calculate the length. The length is literally just this. So why not, imagine if we needed to use this in several locations, why not just create a constant? We can create it inside here or outside. I'll prefer us to create it outside. The general naming convention of a lot of constants is just uppercase and just do one in school, but that's totally up to you. So I'm going to say num of zeros, and the format is colon EQU, then the value. The value could be literally anything. It could be a string, it could be a number. So I'm going to put a number 5. And if I copy that, I'm going to replace 5 here with that. We can get rid of zeros then and replace zeros then with that as well. So if I run it, it still works. Now, if let's say I change this to, I don't know, 21, doesn't matter what it is, I don't run it, we get 21 zeros. You can count it out, but I'm sure there are 21 zeros there. That's literally it. That's all there is to calculating, creating constants. You can create as many as you want. You just go on a new line, create another one. You could even do some sort of mathematical calculation here, like 5 times 7, for example. And if we run it, we'll have now 5 times 7, which is equal to 35. So that's how many zeros are appearing now. So really, that's all there is to creating constants using the EQU command. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.